Hello once again. It's another breakfast time, and today we're bringing you spicy pancakes. These are the ingredients. As you can see, I'm going to be telling you about each and every ingredient here. But before I do so, I want to say that remember to always take your pink tea first thing in the morning before you start eating anything. If you don't know how to make your pink tea, just click on the description box down below. I have linked the video down below. Click on it and watch it, and learn how to make your pink tea for yourself, and check out the difference. Okay, so these are my ingredients for the spicy pancake. This is 2 cups of flour right here. I already measured it. It's already sieved. I always sieve my flour before using it, because most times I discovered that when you just buy it from the market, it has lots and lots of particles in it. So when you sieve it, you remove those particles and your flour is loose so that it doesn't form lumps while you mix. This is my yellow scotch bonnet pepper. It's always very spicy. As you know, we're making spicy pancakes, so we want to give this a very spicy flavor. Okay, you can use red scotch bonnet if you don't have yellow scotch bonnet. Okay, so this is my long peppers, usually called dogo dogo in I don't know if that's Hausa language or tiv, but that's what we call it here in Benue State. Okay, then I have some salt here. I'm not going to use all of this. I'm going to use just 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then this is my sugar. This is 1/4 cup of sugar. I have 3 medium-sized egg here, and I'm going to use ginger too. Ginger is optional, so you can decide not to use this, but I like to add this just to make it a little bit more spicy. And this is nutmeg. I'm not going to use the whole of this as well. I'm going to cut it into 2. I'm going to just grate half of it. Half of it will be sufficient for this. Okay, so, and then I have milk here. This is 3 tablespoonfuls of milk, powdered milk. I mixed it in water to get 1 cup of milk here. So I'm going to start by mixing up my ingredients, and I'm going to show you the onion too. So I'm going to be using half an onion for this purpose, already peeled and washed. So I have just grated my nutmeg, half of it. So I'm going to be turning the nutmeg, the grated nutmeg, straight into my flour. I'm putting my dry ingredients together. Okay, then this is my 1/4 cup of sugar going into my flour as well. And then I'm going to be adding just 1/4 teaspoonful of salt. This is just sufficient for the whole process. Okay, so after putting my dry ingredients together, I'll stir to give it a thorough mix. Just stir. Meanwhile, I'm going to have my wet ingredients blended in the blender. So I already prepared my onion. I've chopped it up already, and ginger. Usually I do this just to facilitate the blending process. I'm going to pour it in. My 3 medium-sized eggs, I'm going to pour it in, and I'll blend everything together as well. Dogo dogo pepper goes in as well. Then my yellow scotch bonnet. So I'm going to take this to the blender, and I'll have it blended. I'm going to pour in my blended mixture right into my pancake. Okay. Then I'll be adding my milk in too. So I have to stir it vigorously to ensure a very smooth mix. So as you can see, I didn't add in all the milk. I still have some left because my mixture might just be too light and we don't want it to be too watery. So, and I even have some extra flour here so that if my mixture is too watery, I will be adding that in. So we give it a very thorough stir and we check the thickness. Okay, I think I can add all of the milk. No need to add the extra flour. So the mixture is really very smooth now. Meanwhile, my frying pan is heating up on the fire. So when the frying pan is hot, I'm going to be adding in some vegetable oil. Just a full tablespoon. So as soon as the oil is hot, I'm going to scoop my pancake with a scooping spoon right into the fried pan. Sorry, did I say pancake? My pancake mix. Okay, so we scoop it very carefully just to make sure that it's neat. Okay, then we'll scoop straight into the fried pan. Allow it to fry for some time, and then when the back is fried, we're going to flip it over to the other side so that the other side will get fried as well. So most times I'm more careful with my fork, so I prefer using my fork to flip it over carefully. This is a difficult part. Okay. Not perfect. So usually I do this to make sure that my dough inside is also dry. I don't want to have half cooked dough. It's not pleasant at all, and it can cause some gastrointestinal disturbances. I always do this to make sure that my dough is inside. Flip it over. Thoroughly cooked. Okay, and see, we have our pancake already. So this is ready now. I'm going to take it out right into my So let's just do the second one, just to get you familiar with the whole process. Okay. So my oil is already hot. I'm going to scoop in my pancake. Sometimes I'm might need to regulate the heat. I normally cook on low heat, so when the bonnet seems to be getting too hot, you can put it off for some time so that you don't have your pancake burnt. So this one is ready as well. You can see that this is more perfect than the other one. So I'm going to take my pancakes with a little dessert. I call it mango fruit punch and some bananas, as you can see. So this is called pita mango. It's really very large. I've not seen it elsewhere in Nigeria. It's grown here in Benue State, and this is the bush mango. Very, very tasty. And this one is called hindi. This one you can't slice it. Okay. So I'm going to use this as my dessert, and then I'm going to serve my pancake with some hot cocoa drink. Our breakfast is ready. Have 2 pancakes, my mango punch with bananas, and my hot cocoa and milk drink. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share. Just try to spread the love. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Just hit on the subscribe button. You don't have to pay any fee for that. Okay? It helps our YouTube algorithm, and it will help this to get out to as many people as possible. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.